Welcome to KINGSOFT online tutorial class. Please, if you see this video, do me a favor by sharing it. Like the video and also comment. Now today we are going to talk about complex numbers. Remember in my previous video, I explained to you everything about complex number. I told you what a complex number is all about. I told you that a complex number should have the real parts and the imaginary parts. Now if you look at this question now, this question is being lifted from the addition of complex numbers. We are asked to add two different complex numbers together. The first term and the second term. We are asked to add them together. So if you look at this now, let's consider the first term first. If you look at the first term, we have 3 and we have 5i. The 3 here is the real part and the 5i is the imaginary part. Going to the second term, we have 2 and we have 7i. The 2 here is the real part and the 7i is the imaginary part. For us to add these two different complex numbers together, what we need to do is this. This is the idea behind it. This is the rule behind it. This is what you should bear in your mind. This is what you should always remember while adding two complex numbers. You add the real parts together and the imaginary parts together. What am I trying to say? Here now we're going to add 3 with 2 and then add 5i with 7i. So if you say solution, we now have, this is the question, 3 plus 5i plus 2 plus 7i. So this will give us 3 plus 2 plus 5i plus 7i. As you can see here, I added the real parts 3 and 2 and also the imaginary parts 5i and 7i. Then I'm going to obtain 5 plus 12i. 5i plus 7i will give us 12i. 3 plus 2 will give us 5. This case now, just like when you say 5 oranges plus 7 oranges, you see you are going to obtain 12 oranges. So this is our answer. But you can equally do it this way. At the time you got to this extent, you can decide to, let's say if I bring this step here now, 3 plus 2 plus 5i plus 7i. You see that this 3 now plus 2 give us 5. Then coming to this second term, I can decide to bring out the I outside. That's to factorize, to bring out the common factor. Because here now I is the common factor. So I can decide to bring that common factor out. If I bring out this common factor, I'm going to have something like this. 5 plus 7i. Let's bring out the common factor out of the bracket. Then I will have my answer as 5 plus 7 will give us 12. So the same thing as what we have here. Thank you for watching.